Good morning, welcome to Waggish Travels, and we're away again. We are in North Wales, just outside of Betws, and if I've said that wrong, I apologise. We're at a lovely guest house that I can't remember the name of, but I shall put the name here with a link to their website. It's amazing. I mean, look at this room. Look at this. Excuse me. But more than anything, look at the view from the window. Wow. Anyway, we're going out exploring. Come and have a look.
Right there I can't see because of the sun. There where the sun is, I can't see what I'm looking at.
Good people, look. We are heading into Snowdonia, and right in front of us is Snowdon.
I don't think I'm going this way.
When we get up on Penny Pass, I'll stop.
It's the river I want to see. Once I bring you over to the river, I can't see what I'm filming. Because it's sunny. And marvellous.
Excellent. We'll get some more footage when we start.
Wait till we get around this bend.
Yeah, I think you can see Snowdon. They're in pelts up there for the night, look.
Still can't see what I'm filming. All I can see is me. Oh no, I can't now. The sun's gone in there. Well, look at that. This is absolutely stunning. Sorry, I keep bringing up some boards, man.
So picture me come round.
You're such a... Here we go, look, just as Provy's in the car. Yeah.
Snowdon is covered by mountain is covered by cloud, but there's snow on them there mountains.
You can tell we don't edit any of this, can
Yeah, editing does not take place in anything we do,
we? So,
as you've obviously noticed from previous videos.
right. Oh, that was my hand. Never mind.
I won't edit that out.
They already know how professional I am. Right, I'm gonna switch off now because my little arms are aching. Alright. Oh, here we go. Another thumbs up from him. There we go.
Well, we have arrived in Caernarfon. We're here.
Hello.
Hello. Didn't see her this morning, did you? She's off doing makeup and stuff. But anyway, we've arrived. And it looks cold. Feels a little bit cold.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. So we're going to go and see if we can get into the castle. Go and have a look round. See if I can use my blue light card. So,
Discount man.
is it free? I'll have two. So, yes, we've driven through Snowdonia, through Caernarfon. That was lovely, wasn't it?
Well, if my little bit of filming works, they'd probably be able to see
Yeah,
it.
you might be able to see it.
That's probably just the roof of my car that we've been able to see.
So anyway, let's go and have a look round.
Okay.
Wow. We're in Caernarfon Castle. It's £19.80 for two people. And great if you are with the armed forces, but not if you're with the emergency services. So if you got an armed forces card, then you get a discount. But if you save people's lives for a living, you don't. Right, so apparently I was whinging because if you kill people for a living, then you,
Very contentious now.
right, you get discount entry. Okay, sorry, what was it? Come here. So what is it?
Protecting people, aren't you?
No. If you've got a gun or a missile or something, then you get discount.
Well, you should have brought your missile with you.
Easy. But if you save people, or put fires out and cut people out of cars, or
Can people see us through the
Yes, you
filth
can
on
see
your
it.
screen?
easy.
Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, there's a big blotch in front
So
of
there's
my
no
face.
yeah, but not on the camera.
Oh, sorry.
Anyway, so you don't get emergency services
Look,
discount.
you're still moaning. Look
Okay,
at
I'm
look
not
at beautiful
whinging. Anyway,
day.
have a look at
the
this, have a look at
sky.
this, have a look
Look
at
at
this.
the sky.
This is January. Look at this.
Mind your eyes, because there's a big sun.
Just big current bun. Mountains in the background.
I love this place. I hope you like this film because you're going to see more of this place.
There's loads of this place. We were discussing that once we've sold the big motorhome and we've acquired a smaller camper van, this is Wales is a place that we want to investigate more. Oh look, there's a big hole in there. What's this here?
Are we going
So-
the wrong way now?
So we've gone completely the wrong way. Oh,
Wait.
hold on. You're looking over there, didn't you?
Well, I was talking about staircase, look.
Hang on a minute.
It doesn't go to anywhere.
Big hole down there. Anyway, I can't do that. I can't look down there. It makes my bum go funny. Anyway, we're going to go back round and go up into the top of the granary tower because we've come off of route number.
In order.
We're not doing it in order. Oh, there you go.
To show you a Paul Dark. I don't know what it's called. Parody, that's it.
Yes. Ah.
Sorry, I can't think straight because lack of oxygen up here after all those steps.
So anyway, look.
Show them the view.
Oh, look at
I
that.
like a director, aren't I?
There's another tower over there. There's no one like over there as well. We've got to get right round to that one. Which by the looks of it you can.
There's a birdie over there. Is that a stone birdie or a real birdie?
That's a real birdie.
Isn't it?
How nice to have a boat out there.
Oh,
What do you reckon?
I see no ships.
Oh, look at this view. Hey look, I can see Asda from here. Look at that.
You can see part of the old
Waggish Travels bringing you all the best views. What?
part of the city wall there as well. I take it that's what.
Oh yeah, look, it's a city wall.
Loads of steps.
Oh, look at that, Snowdon in the background. That's just ice. So, girly pants, all you thought it'd be?
Pardon?
All you thought it'd be?
Yeah, well, I've wanted to come here for years.
We could do something special here, couldn't we?
What? Like get married?
Yeah, what do you reckon?
Yeah.
Hey.
You'd make an honest man of you, couldn't I?
Me?
Yeah.
Comments below. You're going down the stairs.
Yeah. If you got up, you have to come down.
Okay, we're going down the stairs. This could be eventful.
Yeah.
Hang on, I'm going to film this.
Have both hands free, matey.
Oh,
Don't
okay.
you fall on me.
Okay. I'm going to need both hands, so back in a minute. And this is a view from Queen's Gate, where when Prince Charles was given the title of the Prince of Wales, he stood in here and did the royal wave,
Looking at the men's toilets.
looking at the men's toilets. So we're inside the walls of the castle now. And then from here, on the Emperor's Seal up, Alan is down there. There you go. There's Alan. Oh, we just walked up another flight. 1 minute. It's a long way down, as we're quite some way up.
Don't look down.
Oh, come on. Come say what you just said about the castles. You've got to come out the sun.
Oh, I...
Yeah.
Okay, well, I expect most of you people know that the castles were built to keep, built by the English to keep the Welsh from rebelling. They weren't built by the Welsh to keep the English out.
But if they could have done, they would have done.
So they were built by Edward I, and Edward II was the first Prince of Wales, English Prince of Wales, which I expect caused a bit of furore amongst the Welsh community.
They didn't want him.
No.
So, there'll be your first learning for today on Maggie's Travels.
Okay.
More later.
We were there, weren't we?
Thank you very much.
We come up there.
So here we go.
The circle of the tunnel just after it. Then if we just come up here.
Look at the views from up here.
It's not the same as down there.
No. Look at that. Just look at that. Just that view. Well, bit of a lake clip, but following our trip around Conway Castle, no, Caernarfon Castle, Conway's tomorrow, the swing bridge is swinging. Oh, I love it. That's the swing bridge swinging.